This is a place for crazy people. I'm not crazy.
We don't use that term crazy, Mr. Cole.
We've got some real nuts here.
Oh boy, we are in big trouble.
Hey YouTube, so the other day I made a short video about House Resolution 5087. It's where they want to not let people purchase semi-automatic handguns from here moving forward. But what's more disturbing was this article I read on shftplan.com. Seattle police begin Nazi-style gun confiscation, no laws broken, no warrants, no charges. So, if you don't think it's happening, I think it's happening. I'll put the link in, take a look, and hey, thanks for watching.
Go ahead, Mike.
Well, in the category, you've spoken about it, Mr. President, gun violence restraining orders. They're called. California actually has a version of this, and I think you, in your meeting with governors earlier this week, individually and as a group, we spoke about states taking steps. But the focus is to literally give families and give local law enforcement additional tools if an individual is reported to be a potential danger to themselves or others. Allow due process so that no one's rights are trampled, but the ability to go to court, obtain an order, and then collect not only the firearms but any weapons in the possession of that individual.
Or might take the firearms first and then go to court, because
yes, so no one's rights are trampled, but the ability to go to court, obtain an order, and then collect not only the firearms but any weapons in the possession
or
of that individual.
take the firearms first and might take the firearms first and then go to court.